Dinosaurs are some of the most amazing animals that ever lived on Earth. They were huge, powerful, and sometimes very strange. But what do we really know about them? How did they live? What did they eat? And why did they disappear? In this essay, we will explore some of the most interesting facts about dinosaurs and learn more about these fascinating creatures. What are dinosaurs? The word dinosaur comes from the Greek language and means terrible lizard, but dinosaurs were not really lizards. They were a special group of reptiles that had some features in common with birds, such as feathers, hollow bones, and a wishbone. Dinosaurs lived on Earth for more than 150 million years, from the Triassic period to the Cretaceous period. They were the dominant animals on land and came in many different shapes and sizes. How do we know about dinosaurs? We know about dinosaurs mainly from their fossils. Fossils are the preserved remains or traces of ancient organisms that are found in rocks. Paleontologists are scientists who study fossils and try to reconstruct the appearance and behavior of dinosaurs. They use tools like hammers, brushes, and chisels to dig up fossils from the ground. Sometimes they find complete skeletons, but more often they find only bones or teeth. What kinds of dinosaurs were there? There were many kinds of dinosaurs, and they can be classified into two main groups: Saurischians and Ornithischians. Saurischians had a lizard-like pelvis and included theropods and sauropods. Theropods were mostly meat-eating dinosaurs that walked on two legs, such as Tyrannosaurus rex, Velociraptor, and Spinosaurus. Sauropods were mostly plant-eating dinosaurs that walked on four legs, such as Brachiosaurus, Diplodocus, and Argentinosaurus. Ornithischians had a bird-like pelvis and included stegosaurs, ankylosaurs, ceratopsians, and hadrosaurs. Stegosaurs had plates and spikes on their backs, such as Stegosaurus and Kentrosaurus. Ankylosaurs had armor and clubs on their tails, such as Ankylosaurus and Euoplocephalus. Ceratopsians had horns and frills on their heads, such as Triceratops and Styracosaurus. Hadrosaurs had duck-like bills and crests on their heads, such as Parasaurolophus and Corythosaurus. What did dinosaurs eat? Dinosaurs ate different kinds of food depending on their teeth and jaws. Some dinosaurs were herbivores, which means they ate plants. They had flat teeth for grinding leaves, stems, and seeds. Some herbivores also swallowed stones to help them digest their food. These stones are called gastroliths. Some dinosaurs were carnivores, which means they ate meat. They had sharp teeth for tearing flesh and bones. Some carnivores also had claws for grabbing and killing their prey. Some dinosaurs were omnivores, which means they ate both plants and meat. They had a mixture of flat and sharp teeth for eating different kinds of food. How did dinosaurs grow? Dinosaurs grew very fast when they were young. Some of them could grow up to 10 kilograms per day. They also grew very big when they were adults. The largest dinosaur ever discovered was Argentinosaurus huinculensis, which could reach up to 40 meters in length and weigh up to 100 tons. That's as long as 4 school buses and as heavy as 15 elephants. The smallest dinosaur ever discovered was Microraptor zoianus, which was only 40 centimeters long. How did dinosaurs communicate? Dinosaurs communicated with each other in different ways. Some of them used sounds to make noises like roars, hisses, or chirps. Some of them used body language to show their emotions like anger, fear, or happiness. Some of them used colors to attract mates or warn enemies. Some of them used smells to mark their territory or find food. How did dinosaurs defend themselves? Dinosaurs defended themselves from predators or rivals in different ways. Some of them used weapons like horns, spikes, claws, or teeth to fight back or scare away their attackers. Some of them used armor like plates, scales, or feathers to protect their bodies from injuries or camouflage themselves from sight. Some of them used speed like running, jumping, or flying to escape or chase their enemies. How did dinosaurs reproduce? Dinosaurs reproduced by laying eggs like birds or reptiles do today. They built nests where they laid their eggs and sometimes covered them with dirt or vegetation to keep them warm or hidden. Some dinosaurs cared for their eggs or young by guarding them, feeding them, or teaching them. Some dinosaurs left their eggs or young to fend for themselves. How did dinosaurs become extinct? Dinosaurs became extinct about 65.5 million years ago. No one is exactly sure why, but there are many theories. Some scientists think that a huge asteroid hit the Earth and caused a lot of dust and smoke to block the sun and make the climate very cold and dark. has made it hard for plants to grow and for animals to survive. Some scientists think that volcanoes erupted and caused a lot of lava and gas to spread over the land and make the climate very hot and toxic. This also made it hard for plants to grow and for animals to survive. Some scientists think that diseases or parasites infected the dinosaurs and made them sick and weak. This made it easy for predators or competitors to kill them. Why are dinosaurs important? Dinosaurs are important because they teach us a lot about the history of life on Earth. They show us how animals evolved and adapted to different environments and challenges. They also show us how fragile life can be and how it can change or disappear because of natural or human causes. Dinosaurs are also important because they inspire us to be curious and creative. They make us wonder about the past and the future. They also make us imagine and invent stories, movies, games, and toys that are fun and educational. Dinosaurs are some of the most amazing animals that ever lived on Earth. They were huge, powerful, and sometimes very strange. They lived on Earth for more than 150 million years, from the Triassic period to the Cretaceous period. They came in many different shapes and sizes, ate different kinds of food, communicated in different ways, defended themselves in different ways, reproduced by laying eggs, became extinct about 65.5 million years ago, and teach us a lot about the history of life on Earth. Dinosaurs are also very fun and interesting to learn about.